A clothing store set up 3 emails in just 1 hour, and those 3 emails have now made them over $50,000. A different store set up 1 cart recovery flow, and that flow brought in over $120,000 in sales. Here's the thing, these aren't rare examples. They're just an email automation most brands ignore, but it's actually responsible for 37% of all email sales. So in this video, I'm going to break each one down, explain the numbers, show you the businesses that are running them, and walk you through how to set them up. I'm Sen from SideHustleMastery. Let's get into it. Now, here's why most people get email marketing wrong. When people think of email marketing, they think of newsletters, promotional blasts, writing a sale announcement, picking a subject line, scheduling it for Tuesday at 2 p.m., and then hoping people will open it. And that's fine, but it's not where the real money is. Okay, so here's the difference. An email campaign goes out when you decide to send it. You pick the time, you hope your audience is paying attention right then, and maybe they are, but maybe they might be in a meeting, or maybe they're asleep and they miss it. However, when it comes to email automation, it goes out when the customer does something. For example, let's say they sign up, they'll then get a welcome email within minutes while they're still on your website. Or let's say they leave any items in their cart. Well, then they'll get a reminder email an hour later while the product is still in their mind. So they might buy something and then they'll get a follow-up email a few days after. The email shows up at the exact moment it makes sense. That's why email automations work so much better than email campaigns alone. And when we look at the numbers, it backs all of this up. 1 in 3 people who click an automated email end up buying. For regular campaigns, that drops to 1 in 18. So email automations convert about 6 times better than email campaigns alone. And businesses on Omnisend are actually seeing $79 back for every $1 they spend. The industry average is only around $36 to $40. So these guys are pulling in double just because they use email automations. But now here's where it gets specific. According to Omnisend's data, 87% of all automated orders come from just 3 email flows: welcome emails, cart abandonment emails, and browse abandonment emails as well. That's literally it. Those are the 3 flows doing almost all the heavy lifting. So let me show you each one. The first email automation is the welcome series. Let's say someone signs up for your email list. They're on your website right now and they're interested. What happens is they give you their email because something caught their attention, and that's the best moment you'll ever have with this person. And most businesses actually waste it with a single generic thank you email and then they send them nothing for weeks. Now, one case study is Harper Liz Boutique. They didn't do that. What they did was they actually set up 3 emails. The first one says a thank you and gives a discount. The second email tells the brand story. And then the third email would show popular products that they had. That was the whole email automation series. And guess what? They made $50,000 in revenue, and their first email alone actually made them $47,000. And then the second and third emails added another $3,600. When it comes to using this welcome series email automation, the open rate actually went up and was around 36%. And the click-through rate also rose to around close to 9%. And once they set it all up, they didn't touch it again. It just ran automatically. But what's most interesting is that another brand called Beware Sportswear actually tested the welcome series discount. This discount started at 10% off for signing up to the website, which was a normal discounted rate. Then what they then did was tried 15%, and they noticed that the sales per email jumped 390% and orders went up by 121%. One single discount number changed in a pop-up and nearly quadrupled their results. And they actually ended up going to 20% of sales. If you think about that, they didn't change their emails, they didn't redesign the whole website. They actually changed a number in one pop-up field and made 4 times more money from the same email flow. Now, if we look at Omnisend's benchmarks, it shows this pattern across the board. Welcome emails gets nearly 10 times the click-through rate of promotional emails. And if we look at the average conversion rate, it's around 11%. And the reason for this is timing. You're reaching someone at the exact moment they raised their hand and said, yes, I'm interested. However, I also do want to say a quick note. These are established stores with real traffic. If you're just starting out, your revenue numbers will obviously be smaller, but an 11% conversion rate doesn't care how how big your email list is. It works the same at 200 subscribers as it does at 200,000. Now, that's email automation number one. And for most businesses, it's the first one they should set up. But there's a second email automation that's going after even bigger money. Because the welcome series catches people that sign up, but this next one catches people who are about to pay and walked away. That's because email automation number two is the abandoned cart recovery email. About 70% of people who put something in an online cart don't actually buy it. That's 7 out of 10 people. They either got distracted or they wanted to think about it more. So whatever the reason, they were gone. But they already picked the product. They already added it to the cart. They were close. An abandoned cart email is your second chance at a sale that was 90% done. Now, a case study of this is a store called Snatcher Online. What they did was they set up an Omnisend cart recovery flow. They had one email automation. They didn't have any extra advert spends. There was no manual chasing. That single email flow actually did $120,000 in sales for them from people who were about to leave and never come back. Another example is Beware. They run the same kind of email flow and their cart recovery converted at almost 48%. That's nearly half the people who got those emails, they actually came back and bought the product. And they got clever with it. What they did was they split the email flow based on how much was actually in the cart. A $100 cart gets a different email than a $10 cart. That's because higher value requires more follow-ups and a bigger discount. And that kind of targeting is what separates a decent email flow from a great one. So here's what this email sequence actually looks like. About an hour after someone leaves, they get an email showing the products they left behind. In the email, there are images, and then there's the names, and then a link that goes straight back to their cart. And then 12 hours later, a second email arrives. Now, this one adds urgency. Something like, these items are still in your cart, but they could sell out. If they still haven't bought it, a third email then drops for that customer. And this one gives them a discount of around 10 or maybe 15% off. Now, with Omnisend, they actually have all of these pre-built as templates that you can use. All you do is just customize the copy, drop in your branding, set the timing, and turn it on. You can also layer SMS into the flow. So if someone doesn't open the email, the system can text them instead. Beware actually did this. They had texts that had higher open rates, so they were able to catch people who missed the inbox reminder. And once it's live and published, it runs on every abandoned cart automatically. Okay, so now let me show you the third email automation, which was the after sale email automation. Now, let's say you've got the welcome series catching people when they sign up. You've also got the cart recovery catching people who almost bought. But there's a third group of customers that most businesses completely ignore, people who already bought. Here's where most businesses drop the ball. Someone buys from you, they get a confirmation email, and then there's nothing. There's just radio silence. That customer just trusted you with their money and you've gone quiet on them. The thing is, someone who already bought from you is way more likely to actually buy again than someone who never has. So ignoring them after sale is literally leaving money on the table. An example of this is Toak Chocolate. They understood this and they had a small team, they had a premium product, and they were using Omnisend's automated post-purchase flows to stay in contact after the first sale. And almost 40% of the email revenue came from those automations. In fact, their CEO said it lets a small team build real connections with customers without needing to manually write every single email. But then there's the re-engagement side. If people ever go cold, they stop opening your emails, or they forget about you and your product, there are ways that you can circumvent all of this. One example is Island Olive Oil. They used Omnisend's segmentation feature to find those people, customers who hadn't bought in a while, or people who had stopped opening their emails. What they then did was send targeted re-engagement emails to just those groups of people. This could include a "we miss you" discount or just a normal check-in. And the results were awesome. They had 39% of a revenue increase. That was money that was walking out the door, which managed to pull back by one email automation. Now, the structure to this email is pretty straightforward. After someone buys a product, the first email you send is a thank you with order details. Then a few days later, the second email might be usage tips or recommendation, something that goes with that product that they bought. Then the third email asks for a review. And if someone goes quiet for 30 to 60 days, that's when the re-engagement flow kicks in. Another example is a company called Baking Steel. They actually run this kind of setup, and their automations are just 2.3% of all sends, but it brings them 33% of the email revenue. So now let me explain how to set this all up. When it comes to Omnisend, it's used by over 150,000 businesses, and it's rated 4.7 stars and connects straight to your Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, and a bunch of other platforms. Once you connect your store, it syncs your products and customer data automatically. So your automations can actually pull in products images, names, and prices without you doing it all by yourself. They've also got a free plan where you have access to 500 emails a month, 250 contacts, and you get full access to every automation feature I just covered. So that's the welcome series, the cart recovery, the post-purchase re-engagement, all of it. Every email automation comes with a pre-built template inside the platform. You pick the one you want, you tweak the copy and timing to match your brand, and then you turn it on. The platform is powerful without it being super clunky, and honestly, that's what keeps a lot of people using it. And when you need more volume, their standard plan actually starts at $16 a month. And then their pro plan is $59. And you get unlimited emails plus SMS. Now, if you use our link in the description and below and enter the code CharlieChang30 at checkout, you get 30% off your first 3 months. And on paid plans, Omnisend takes their branding off your emails, so your customers only see your name and your branding. Now, if you're already on Klaviyo, MailChimp, or another platform, Omnisend's support team handles migration for free. They move your contacts, automations, everything, so you don't lose anything. They've also got 24/7 support if you get stuck. So honestly, if I was starting from zero, here's the order I would do. First, set up the welcome series. That catches every new subscriber from day one. Then you want to add the cart recovery email automation. That will catch the biggest revenue leak that you have in your emails. Then you want to add the post-purchase and re-engagement once you've got customers coming through. Now, these are 3 email automations. Maybe a couple of hours spent to set each one up, but then they'll run on their own and make you a ton of money. If you want to try Omnisend, click the link in the description below or scan the QR code on screen and use code CharlieChang30 at checkout to save 30% on your first 3 months. If you use our link, we do get a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It's exactly how we keep making free videos exactly like this for you. I'm Sen from SideHustleMastery. If this helped, make sure to check out this other video.